Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called the suspension system used in the automobile vehicle. So, in automobile vehicle, we have different necessary components that we have, and then among them the suspension system have the major role for the smooth running of vehicle. So in that we have different type of system or component that we have called the chassis, and then after chassis we have a steering system, and then transmission system that may include clutch, gearbox, and then differential unit, and then drive shaft, and then after that we have the suspension system, and then after we have the braking system. So these are the gradual order of system of components that we will automobile vehicle. So after transmission system, suspension system will hold a unique working principle in the automobile vehicle. So in the suspension system, we have a component called like we have a spring, and then we have the shock absorber, so that we can have a smooth suspension in the automobile vehicle. And then for shock absorber, we have different types called telescopic shock absorber, and then hydraulic shock absorber. And then for springs, we have different types called leaf spring, and then coil spring, and then torsion bar. So these are the different types even in that specific component. So we thought it have a unique advantage and disadvantages, so that we can run the vehicle in a very effective manner. In with that uneven surface in the road, so we have discomfort while riding a vehicle. And then for that case, a proper suspension system in the automobile vehicle, it will arrest those things, and then it will bring a smooth running of vehicle. So with that suspension, I'm just starting with the component called shock absorber. So these are while shock absorber will arrest the vibration in the uneven surface of road. And then spring, it enables the shock absorber to move up and down, and then it will give the compression, and then expansion of shock absorber. And you see here, the suspension is the system of tires, tire air, and the springs, shock absorber, and then linkages that connects a vehicle to its wheels, and then allows a relative motion between the two suspension system, and that must support both road holding and then handling and ride quality, which are at odds with each other. So it's the main objective of a good suspension system we have and to possess. It provides a smooth riding of vehicle, and then it holds the comfortness of the driver in the uneven surfaces. So the principle of suspension system. The suspension is essentially a damped spring producing opposing force when being compressed. Here is the main working of a spring, and then a shock absorber used in the suspension system. So these components are acting as a damping, and then these components provides the damping effect during in the suspension system. The springs sustain the weight of the vehicle. Dampers oppose the spring movement and dissipating their energy and preventing them to be bounced without control. Yes, and then these springs, while the up and down movement of vehicle in the uneven surface, so these springs act as a damper, and then it arrests the movement, and then it provides smooth running. And then these are the components used in suspension system called the springs, specifically coil spring, drive axle, control arm, a drum, that is the brake drum, a shock absorber, then a traverse rod, and then structure. So where the spring and then so the spring and the shock absorber will hold the major work in the suspension. And then the major functions of suspension systems are to safeguard passenger and goods against road shock, and then to preserve the stability of vehicle while in motion. And it provides the wheel always in connect with the road while driving, cornering and then braking. So to maintain proper steering geometry, and it provides suitable riding and positioning properties, and then it allows the rapid cornering without extreme body roll to prevent excessive body spread or body weight. So these are the major functions that the suspension system could provide. Thank you.